Breaking AI news. Shopify's CEO just dropped a bombshell. From now on, managers must prove why a human should be hired instead of using AI. Is this the end of traditional jobs? Will AI officially dominate the workplace? And what does this mean for your future? Stay with me, because we're diving into what may be the most controversial corporate AI policy of 2025. But before we begin, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. We bring you AI's biggest updates first before they go viral. Let's get into it. Shopify CEO Tobi Lütke confirmed it. In an internal memo now leaked, he made it crystal clear. From this point forward, every manager must justify why a job can't be done by AI before opening any new hire request. That's right, human employment now needs an AI override at Shopify. This policy isn't temporary, it's a permanent part of their operations moving forward. And this marks a massive shift in how AI and employment are viewed at the corporate level. Tobi Lütke says it's simple, AI is here to stay. And most people give up too quickly when it doesn't work on the first try. He believes AI is a muscle that needs to be developed, not just tested. And he's making AI fluency mandatory, not optional, for every Shopify team member. Shopify wants to lead the new world of AI-first business. Under the new rule, managers must prove AI can't do the job. 2. Performance reviews now consider how well employees use AI. 3. Peer feedback includes AI usage as a core metric. This is no longer about tech departments. This is company-wide, from HR to marketing to product to support. The internet exploded. Some say this is the smartest move a CEO can make in 2025. It's how businesses stay lean, competitive, and future-proof. Others say it's cold, dehumanizing, and a dangerous precedent. It pushes people out before they even have a chance. Whether you love it or hate it, the message is loud and clear. AI is not coming, it's already here, and it's your competition. If Shopify is doing this today, other companies will absolutely follow. Soon you'll hear, can't this job be done by ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini? This means you must learn to work with AI. You must build workflows that include AI. You must be able to say, here's why my work beats what AI can do, or risk being skipped in the hiring line. This isn't just Shopify. Meta, Google, Tesla, and even Walmart are quietly testing AI-first roles. In 2024, OpenAI hinted that future AI will do 80% of white-collar tasks. Now in 2025, CEOs are openly saying, prove why a human is necessary. This is the new hiring standard, and it's coming fast. At Shopify, AI integration isn't just encouraged, it's evaluated. Imagine this. How often did you use Claude this quarter? What tasks did you automate using ChatGPT? Which workflows did you optimize using Midjourney? This will define promotions, bonuses, and even layoffs. Here's how to stay safe and win. Learn the tools. GPT-4, Claude 3, Gemini 1.5, and Midjourney build AI into your daily workflow. Keep a personal AI usage portfolio. Show your automations. Upskill in prompt engineering, LLM chaining, and AI dashboards. Knowledge workers who become AI augmented will thrive. Those who don't, they'll be labeled as inefficient. Let's talk. Is Shopify leading the way or going too far? 2. Should employees be forced to justify jobs against AI? 3. Are we heading toward a world where human is optional? Drop your take in the comments below. We're reading them all. Shopify just launched the AI hiring era. The world of work will never be the same. Subscribe to AI Horizon Daily. We bring you game-changing AI stories before they explode. Hit the bell icon to stay ahead of every industry shockwave. AI isn't waiting, and will be here every step of the way. See you in the next AI Alert.